you want? Blue?
Bruno,
I don't have peanut, baby. You want chocolate ice cream?
we're in the ice cream truck with the man. Bruno love the ice cream truck. They're making the ice cream. They're making the ice cream, the blue.
Here, get that to her. Go eat
Be
it.
careful, be careful, be careful. Bruno serving the people. Bruno serving everybody.
Give me the phone so I can take a look.
Bruno, I'm recording it.
Yeah, I know. Bruno, you selling ice cream, papi? Look at mommy. Ya, papi, ya.
Look, Bruno.
Ya, sácalo de ahí.
That's it? You ready? No? You helping the man? Yeah?
Yeah.
You love the ice cream truck?
He's working, look.
Yeah, he's working.
Hold on. Let me change.
Bruno's working. Give her change. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Come on, let's go.
Good?
Say thanks.
How are you?
Say thanks.
Okay.
Say thanks to the ice cream man.
Thank you. All right, baby. God bless you. Be careful what you're doing. How many hit you?
Oh, Bruno in the ice cream truck. Bruno in the ice cream truck. You see Bruno ice cream truck? You see the ice cream truck? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.